Introducing the Access Project Management Template brought to you by accesslearningzone.com. Hi, my name is Richard Rost. This database template will allow you to track unlimited projects and their associated tasks. It includes a Gantt chart, form, and printable report. It's great for all kinds of scheduling, whether it's projects, personnel, resources, you name it. This template is built 100% in Microsoft Access with no add-ins, DLLs, or third-party components to install. Plus, you can download a free version from my website to try it and see if it meets your needs. Here's the database. I intentionally kept the interface simple so you can very easily integrate this into whatever other databases you have. So I'll just click on the Projects button. You can see I've got 2 projects in here, a new house build and a personnel schedule. You can put as many projects in as you want, and of course, each project can have multiple tasks. Here for the new house build, I've got planning, permitting, building, and so on. Each task gets a start date and an end date, and you can either set these here or in the Gantt chart planner, which I'll show you in just a second. You can also associate a color, either red or blue. Yes, I'm going to add more colors in a future version, but for now, you get red and blue. In the developer walkthrough video, I'll show you how you can add more if you're in a hurry and you want to do it now. To see the planner, just click on the planner here, or you can double-click on one of the IDs up top here, either one. There's the Gantt chart planner. You'll see the days across the top here, color-coded for weekends and weekdays, of course. Here's the start date and the end date for each of your tasks. You can move the schedule back and forth with these buttons right here. This goes forward a day, backward a day. You can change that to weeks, months, quarters, or whole years if you want to. I'll go to weeks, then I'll go forward a week, and then backward a week. See that? This button will jump you to today, and you'll always see today's date in yellow. Now, when you open this planner up, it starts out locked, so you can't change these. That's to prevent accidental clicks. I hate that. So I'm going to unlock it now. Then I can use click to set the start date and shift-click to set the end date. So let's say I want to change the start date here to the 22nd. I'll click there. That moves the start date. And then the end date, I'll hold the shift key down and click over here. Now I've moved that back. Same thing with this guy. Let's move it back a little bit. Click there, and then click there. See how easy it is to move stuff around and change your planning? Nice and simple. See that? Then when you're done, lock it again. That way you don't accidentally click up here. Want to add a new item? Well, let's unlock the chart. Click down here. Follow up. Then we'll start it here. I'll slide over to the right a little bit. And then I'll shift click out here. There's my follow-up. All done. Lock it up. Ready to print this out. Hit the print button. And there's your printable version. Standard report. You can click to zoom in. And of course you can print it to your printer, or you can make a PDF file out of it. And of course, there's a count across the bottom of each column, so you can see how many activities are scheduled for that day, or if you're doing personnel, how many people are scheduled that day. If you don't want to see all of the activities, only the active ones, let's say I move forward here, and now planning is in the past, right? Well, let's say I don't want to see any activities that don't have something in this date range. That's what this show all box is for. Turn that off, go back to the planner, and now if I move into the future, as soon as I'm past planning, you can see it disappears. See that? So you only see on this view the tasks that are actually in this date range. This is good for personnel scheduling, for example. You don't have to see all the people who aren't necessarily scheduled to work during this time frame. So that is the Access Project Management Template by accesslearningzone.com. You can download a free version from my website to try it out and see if it'll meet your scheduling needs. The developer version gives you complete design control, including the source code, and you can customize the database and integrate it into your existing databases. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me or post your comments below. Thanks for watching.